welcome back. In this video, we'll bring everything together with GCF and LCM. We've now seen several methods for finding the GCF and LCM. These include listing the factors of the multiples, prime factorization with Venn diagrams, the slide method, and the exponent form using prime powers. So let's summarize the big ideas. The greatest common multiple is the largest factor both numbers share, and the least common multiple is the smallest multiple both numbers share. When we use listing, the GCF is going to come from comparing the factors of each of the numbers, while the LCM comes from comparing the multiples of each numbers. When we use Venn diagrams, the GCF is the product of the center only, while the LCM is the product of all of the parts of the diagram. When we use the slide method, for the GCF, we multiply the factors pulled out on the left. For the LCM, we multiply the factors pulled out on the left and that final bottom row. And when we use powers, the GCF, we use the lowest exponent on shared primes, but for the LCM, we use the highest exponent on every prime that appears. Let's compare these two last ideas one more time. Let's suppose we have Suppose you have two prime factorizations. For the GCF, you ask, what do they both have? And how much of each prime do they both have? That means using the smallest exponent. For the LCM, we ask, what do we need all together so both numbers divide into it? That means using the largest exponent. This is one of those places in mathematics where structure makes everything simpler. As teachers, students may confuse GCF and LCM because both involve two numbers. Both use the words common. Both can use prime factorization. Both can involve similar diagrams or procedures. So it helps to keep connecting back to meaning. A useful teaching question is, are we looking for something that goes into both numbers? That's GCF. Or are we looking for something both numbers go into? That's LCM. Another useful question is, are we keeping only what overlaps? That sounds like GCF. Or are we collecting everything needed? That sounds like LCM. You have worked through a lot in this lesson, and that is something to feel good about. These are rich ideas, and they matter because they connect arithmetic, factorization, and structure in a meaningful way. The more clearly you understand these relationships now, the more flexibly you will be able to teach them later. Excellent work.